how to log into your GoodRx account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your goodrx.com, or you can even use the application version of it. It does not matter. Just get into the application or website, then you can simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner, then you can simply tap on login right here, and then after tapping on login, we'll successfully get into our login page, where all you need to do is now add in all of the credentials like your email address or phone number, and then tap on continue, and then add in the password of your account. Then you can tap on login and successfully log into your account. There might also be the option of inputting the 6-digit passcode sent to your device to complete passwordless login if you want to do that too. Or if you have used any of those platforms like your Google ID or Apple ID, then you can simply tap on these button, and then you can simply add in all of the credentials of the Google ID or Apple ID in order to log into your GoodRx account, or you can use your mobile number too. So yeah, that is it.